नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां परत एक फावट प्रुडंट मिडियाच्या आमच्या सप्तकी कार्यावळीत जागोर आणि आयचो जागोर आमी घेतात तो म्हणजे इलेक्शनाच्या फाटभुंयेचेर रिजनल पार्टीज प्रादेशीक पक्ष जे हांगा आसात आनी स्थापन जाल्यात त्या संदर्भांतल्यान ह्या प्रादेशीक पक्षाचो फुडार उलयताले आमी आनी थंय एक अनिल पै बाबान एक आरोपूच कसो केल्लो की रिजनल पार्टीज आसात त्यो रिजनल एस्पिरेशन्स जी आसात ती सांबाळून दवरपाचे बदलाक नॅशनल पार्टीचे सप्लायर जाल्ले आसात आनी दोतोर तुमी कितें तरी उलोवपा सोदताले हांव थांबयल्लो
आमकां सप्लायर म्हणप म्हणजे सारकें न्ही कित्याक आमी आमगेली जी पार्टी आसा वी डू इट विथ द होप दॅट वी वील फायंड अ लिडर हू वील स्टँड अप फॉर द स्टेट स्पेशल स्टेटस मागतले मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स बंद करतले इलिगल मायनिंग बंद करतले हेजेर कोण हे कोण उलयतलो आनी गोंय आमगेले थोडेशें उरलें तें सांबाळटलें काय म्हणून आमकां होप आसता म्हणून ते कारणाक लागून आमी MLA जो येता मतांनी बाबा हाडलो मतांनी कितें केलें आयज गेलो सोडून गेलो आमी सप्लाय केलें ना तेका ऑफ हिज ओन हेज गॉन अवे
इजी फायनली फेड अप की बाबा तुम्ही रिजनल एस्पिरेशन्स काय करना तुम्ही फक्त सप्लाय
if he had
लेट मी गेट मायसेल्फ सप्लाय टू बीजेपी
No, I don't.
If he had those aspirations,
I fully agree.
Yes.
Because Matani was an MLA for 5 years. Why was his tongue tied? He
Yes,
was,
and
he
why
was
was
very
his-
much in the
Yes.
assembly. He was in the government. Why has he not taken up issues pertaining to Goa?
Goa.
I can point out an instance wherein he has in a debate in a private members.
No, let us not discuss
नहीं, नहीं,
Mathani here.
आमच्या म्हणणं-
Basically,
No,
the
no,
point
no,
was-
let me make a
the
point.
point
नहीं,
here was
नहीं,
completely
नहीं,
different.
हो पॉइंट वेगळो
The point was of
आता पळय,
suppliers.
आता हांव कितें म्हणटा सप्लाय कितें म्हणटा UGDPचे ह्या वळी इतले 2-3 इलेक्शन जाले म्हणजे आता हे 12वे इलेक्शन आमचे असेंब्लीचे 12वे म्हणजे आज चलतले ते आता
होय.
हे इतले 4-5 इलेक्शन पळय जाले तेन्ना एकय आमदार UGDP आपल्या कडेन दवरूंक शकले ना काय UGDPचे पळय ते धेर दवरना ह्या खातीर आमी इलेक्शन लढयतात
सोडून राधाराव ग्रासे
माथानी सारडा
who remained with
हे दोघी जाण
everybody else left UGDP
म्हणजे आता पळय आता जर तुम्ही जर इलेक्शन पळय लढोवपाक घेता पळय तुमचे हेच निवडून आयिल्ले मनीस तुमचे कडेन उरतले म्हणपाचें कित्या वेल्यान कित्याक आज जर हंग जर अशें जर जालें जर जायत खंयचे बाबा BJP आयली किंवा त्या वेळी काँग्रेस आयली तांकां जर खंयचे MLA जाय पडले तर हे तांचे कडेन सपोर्ट करून आपले स्वार्थ साधना म्हणजे कित्या वेल्यान
आख्या इंडिया हें चल्लें
ना, 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 पूण आयज
आख्या
कितें
इंडियेक कोएलिशन गव्हर्मेंट चल्ल्या इट इज नॉट गोंयांत न्ही तें
No, no,
they have supported another party.
Yeah,
Coalition
that is
government.
right. But today, after
it is
amendments
not-
to
it
the
is not-
Anti-Defection Act, things have also changed. Gone are the days of the past wherein they would have a 1/3 split or 2/3 split and defect and merge with other parties. Those days are gone. Today it has become much difficult because if somebody has to leave a political party under original political
you
party.
have raised a very important point. म्हाका एक गजाल तुम्ही तिघी जाण ह्या बाबतींतल्यान सांगात आता एंटी डिफेक्शन एक्टा खातीर तुका एक पार्टी सोडून दुसरी पार्टी भितर वचून कोणाक सपोर्ट जर करपाक जाय जाल्यार यू हॅव टू रिझाइन अँड कंटेस्ट द
Exactly,
इलेक्शन
you have to
अगेन
resign. Exactly.
द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फाउंड बाय ऑल दीस पीपल इज फॉर्म माय ओन पार्टी इन द नेम ऑफ रिजनलिझम आनीक वेगळी रावपाचे आनीक वेगळी
Yes.
रावन जाय ताका सपोर्ट करपाचे
होय.
ते गव्हर्मेंट उडोवपाक जाय हे सपोर्ट करतात ते गव्हर्मेंट करपाक जाय हे सपोर्ट करतात दिस इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन यू हॅव फाउंड अँड दिस इज वॉट रिजनल पार्टीज हॅव कम टू वॉट यू हॅव टू से अबाउट दॅट
I don't agree with you. Just because it has happened once with Save Goa Front, you don't think that it will happen with every party. And if that was the case, other parties like the UGDP or MGP would have got eliminated from the
why
political arena.
MGP is doing it? MGP is doing it. MGP was ready even to topple the Digambar Kamath government at one time. Poir तांची talks चलताले before elections with BJP also. So they are ready to support Congress also. They are ready to talk with BJP also.
Supporting
So you have no principles.
supporting a
and
government
merger.
or
Supporting
opposing
and
a government as a party is not banned. That
It is
we
not
have to
question
do.
of banning.
Each
What are
party.
your principles? That your principles, ह्या तुमच्या प्रिन्सिपल्सा भितर काँग्रेसही फिट जाता आणि बीजेपी फिट जाता who are actually ideologically completely different.
No, ideologically yes, but on some issues.
what is your ideology?
On our own issues,
What are
certain
your issues? What are your issues? Portfolios?
Actually, no.
That way we don't want any of these national parties to be here in Goa.
No, but you are supporting them.
No, we are supporting because we are not in a position to form the government.
No,
we want to be in the
There's a
government
difficulty.
so that we can do something.
So
MGP
you
has a
want to be in the
difficulty.
government. That is the issue.
No, yes, because we are a small
MGP has a
force.
difficulty. They never align with the regional forces. I have made several attempts to talk to them. They will just ignore because they want to be with the government all the time.
With the national party.
With the national party. Either with the national party or otherwise. But they want to be with the government. They will not align themselves. Even at the time of election, they will not come forward. They will not even make a move to say that, let us all the regional parties get together. And as far as their party is concerned, Vikas party is concerned, it is leader-based party. फाल्यां दिसलें ताका चर्चिल आय नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय करपा रिजनल फोर्सीस he destroyed himself and went away. Now they will do the same thing.
No, no,
They will go into there is no
don't
doubt
agree.
about
See,
that.
let-
There is
let
no
us-
doubt about that.
let us not
There is
talk.
leader
Let us
base.
not
They are leader
talk.
base.
No, no,
we
no.
have been there for the last 12 to
If you have
14
been,
elections.
I mean, I don't
and we have
want-
continued
I
that
am
way.
not disputing
No,
what
and you look at the leader's character. He has jumped from the UGDP, went to the Congress, went to the BJP, and now Vikas Party. What?
NCP also.
NCP also. Then where is the question of his stability?
And now he has aligned
How
with
do you?
See,
That's
You
what- yes.
have embraced him.
Beg your pardon?
You have embraced him.
No, we have not embraced him yet. Don't think of that. We are making seat adjustments. We are not embraced him. We know where we will be. We will be dumped tomorrow. If they come to power, we'll be dumped. That is the whole problem.
No, no, no.
I-
But
See, we are looking at the character of the fellow.
नाही, नाही,
It's
तांची
not
किती-
just.
तांची किती
It
आसा
is-
पळय
no, I have
No,
to
let him complete.
I have to counter this charge
Yeah.
because he is making a very serious charge. I do not agree to what all that you are saying, because if you want to make a charge, even I can make a charge. Because if you call Goa Vikas Party a little base party, yes, because it
Leader
is
base,
it
leader
is leader base party or little base party, yes, because it is just at the beginning. We are
No,
at
no,
the
little
initial
base, leader based.
Okay, leader base. I do not agree to this. Every party finally has a leader. If everybody becomes a leader, then that party cannot go anywhere.
No, what is it? Is it really leaders or dealers? That is the issue
That
right
is the
now.
issue.
Before Goans, when they look at regional parties, who are they? Can they become our leaders? हे रिजनल पार्टीचे लोक एक ते भाऊसाहेब बांद्रोकर सारखं मनीस आशिल्लो हु वॉज दी लीडर ऑफ
Leader
गोवा
Goa आशिल्लो.
रिजनल एस्पिरेशन जॅक सिकेरा लीडर ऑफ गोवा आज तुमचे लीडर्स जे असतात दे आर बिकमिंग डीलर्स दे डील विथ एनीबडी तुमची पार्टी आहे ती एमजीपी दे आर डीलिंग विथ बीजेपी एज वेल एज काँग्रेस तुमची लोक असतात ते येतात आणि दे डील विथ एनीबडी
No, we have not done that. Our
This
leader has
time-
not done that.
This time we have chosen
We have
people
not
of
done
character.
that.
If
We
you
have
look
not
at our
done that.
candidates,
In the past,
Lyndon, you have not done it.
Yeah.
Okay, but you have once dumped this leadership and this party and gone and made a deal with Congress party.
Congress party.
To get this thing. Or at one time made a deal with BJP also. With both.
That at that time when Miki Pacheco was in the UGDP and when he joined the government, it was the decision of the party. All three MLAs. Why are you singling out only Miki Pacheco? All three MLAs of the party were with the government. Babush was there with the government. Matani was there with the government. Miki also was there with the
I am
government.
saying that all are dealers.
Exactly. So it was a decision of the party for which Miki Pacheco is not responsible. Thereafter, yes, Miki Pacheco joined the NCP. He joined the NCP because at that point of time, it appeared that the ideologies of the NCP were different from that of the Congress. But ultimately, we realized that those ideologies are only on paper. So because of which, finally we have realized that by joining a national party, we will reach nowhere. The interests of Goa are being sacrificed because NCP has time and again made a volte-face on every single issue pertaining rather of importance to Goa. Be it illegal mining, be it the drug police mafia politician nexus, be it medium of instruction, be it any other issue. And time and again, these national parties run, including NCP, they do not have a voice of their own. They run to Delhi, they depend on High Command.
नाही पूण हें म्हाका कितें हें सगळें खरें हांव कितें म्हणटा हें इलेक्शना पुरतें सांगपाक सगळें सोंपें आसता आमी पळय मायनिंगाचे विरोधक आसतले किंवा शेजाची जमीन विकिल्ली आसतली किंवा ते आतां रापणकाराचे प्रश्न आसात आनी कसले प्रश्न आसात किंवा आतां दोतोरान सांगलें तशें गोंयाक स्पेशल राज्याचो दर्जो मेळचो म्हणपाचें पूण ह्यो सगळ्यो आयडियोलॉजी पळय ज्यो आसात त्यो इलेक्शना पुरत्योच आमच्यो उरतात
We have been-
आनी मागीर
no,
आमचे जे
no,
पळय
no, no,
निवडून
I-
आयिल्ले
I
उरता
do not agree
पळय
with you.
निवडून आयिल्ले
No,
उरता
no,
पळय
no.
हांव तुका सेव गोवा फ्रंटाचेर ताणें त्यार सुमार तेन्ना ह्या दवरिल्ल्यो आमी मोपा विमातळ करपाक दिवचो ना कोंकणी आनी हे रेवन रिप्ली आसतली आनी कितें सगळें पूण जेन्ना इलेक्शन जावन 6 म्हयन्यां भितर जेन्ना काँग्रेसी तो गेलो तेन्ना तो सगळें विसरलो म्हणजे 6 म्हयन्या 3 म्हयन्या भितर विसरलो म्हणजे हाजोर तसो की हें जें पळय इलेक्शन जशें जालें मार्चाक जशें इलेक्शन जालें हे जुना म्हयन्यात जसो पावस पळोवन हुंवार आयलो तेन्ना हांगेले सगळें वता
No.
म्हणजे ताका
I
लागून
don't
लोक
agree. I don't agree
विश्वास
with you
दवरना.
because all these issues that we are raising today, these issues have not been brought up by us just at the time of election. Miki Pacheco has been raising these issues in the cabinet as well, outside the cabinet while he was still in the government. After he was not a minister, he has been raising the same issues while he was still in the NCP, and today also he is raising the same issues. So how do you, on what basis do you say
Nee,
that
but
now we
आता-
are only waking up at the time of elections?
म्हणजे म्हणणें अशें की आमी एकमेकाचेर हें कितें ते आरोप आनी हें करच्या पेक्षा आनी वॉट वी ऑल
सगळ्यांक
नो
एकठांय
वॉट आवर
जावया
विकनेसीस Now, how to consolidate this base, support base of all these regional forces and be a force to reckon with?
there is a big support there is a big support for regional forces. Very big support.
आता
But we must consolidate these forces,
तुम्ही सांगा.
not divide them. We are dividing those
Yes,
forces
yes.
by bringing up new parties. We should not divide these parties. All of us must get together.
No, no.
And if we get together, we
Sometimes
will have a
MGP
regional
can
party
be a-
also.
ओके
नाही,
ताणी
नाही.
डिवाइड केला ना दोतर व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन जीडीपी आणि एमजीपी दोन कित्या खातीर पार्टीज आहे
आमच्याकडे ना डिफरन्स वी ऑलवेज बीन सेइंग
माहिती कित्या खातीर तुम्ही दोन डिफरन्स बसल्यात
I don't know. It's
No, we have to come together and sit across
See,
and decide as to what are the differences.
To talk, it is very easy.
No, there could be some
To
issues
to
which
act,
we do
to
not
get
know.
up and act, it is difficult.
लास्ट एक मिनिट उरला त्या लास्ट एक मिनिटा भितर म्हाका एकच गजाल सांगात की हे सगळे तुम्ही करतात ते बार्गेनिंगा खातीर करतात काय गोंया खातीर करतात
गोयच्या भवितव्या खातीर जर करता जर जायत तर आपलो सगळो मतभेद विसरून ह्यो सगळ्यो पार्टी एक जातल्यो आशिल्ल्यो कित्याक आमच्या मुखार एकच ध्येय आसता गोंय पूण हांगा तें दिश्टी पडना म्हाका प्रत्येकाचे विचार वेगळे ह्या पार्टीचो वेगळो गोवा विकास पार्टीचो वेगळो
आमगे कन्सिस्टंट विचार सामके गोंय आमगे गोंयकारां
आमचो
आमी इतले
आमचो
एफर्ट करून
विचार वेगळो ना.
एमएलए जाता तांचे आसना ते वता.
No.
That is a tragedy.
Mickey Pacheco's thoughts and interests have been the same throughout. As I have said little earlier, whether when he was in the cabinet, outside the cabinet, in the NCP, not in the NCP, and still we are taking up the same issue because if we were selfish, Mickey Pacheco was selfish.
सो यू विल बेसिकली गरज पडली जाल्यार फाल्यां पावराक येवपाची परिस्थिती आली जाल्यार तुम्ही जे गोंयच्या इंटरेस्टाक ना म्हणून तुम्ही नेशनल पार्टीज सांगतात तांचे बरोबर तुम्ही वतले काय ना इतलेच म्हाका सांगा आमी सोपोया
Definitely not.
will you go to form the government with BJP or Congress or you will remain
that will have to be done.
End of the day, there has to be some government in the state. Today we are all sitting together. We are
You will
working.
not sit in the opposition.
We are working. I am not saying that we have not come to that point as well.
Okay.
We have to go with a.
That question can't be that can't be answered.
You can't answer that now.
Okay.
We are
You don't
today.
want to
We are
answer that.
today
What
working
is your
to see
issue?
that.
तुम्ही म्हाका सांगात दोघी जाण आमी सोपोया कित्याक म्हजो टायम सोंपला फाल्यां गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म करपाचो आयलो तेन्ना तुम्ही नॅशनल पार्टी बरोबर आमी वचना आमी सामून सेपरेट रावतले काय तुम्ही
As Mr. Linden has already said, joining a government or not joining a government cannot be an issue at this point.
ओके फायन
No, it is the exigency of the situation. Situation will arise as to form a government, and you got to support a government. You can't have a governmentless state. You have to form a
Is
government.
there any specific party which you have decided that we are not going to be with this national party? Have you decided
See,
anything?
as of now, we are working towards
forming
ensuring
a government.
that the regional parties get a majority.
Okay.
We are working for them. We are
Okay.
hopeful that people
Yeah.
will go will give us a
Time
chance.
is over.
Yes.
नाही,
म्हाका दिसता की रिजनल पार्टीनी अशें तरेचे कितें स्टँड घेवचो काय बाबा परिस्थिती आहेत त्या प्रमाणे मागीर वारी येता तशी सूख धरचे
नाही पूण रिजनल पार्टीन आमच्या गोंयच्या हिता खातीर जो पळय कितें स्टँड आज पळय ते सांगतात पळय तो स्टँड घेवन ताणें रावपाची गरज आसा
हय, सारकें.
आनी जर ज्या पक्षा कडेन जर ताणें वचपाची गरज सपोर्ट करतले किंवा ताजे कडेन युती करतले सत्कारार वचपाची तेन्ना ताणें सांगपाक जाय बाबा हे आमचे इश्यू आसात हे इश्यू तुम्ही पास करतले आमचे तर आमी तुमकां सपोर्ट
On our
करता
program.
Okay,
The demand on our
conditional.
program.
Conditional.
सारकें,
ओके
सारकें.
आम्ही डिस्कशन आनी की मुखार व्हरपाक शकतात पूण हांगा लोकां मुखार प्रश्न आनी सगळे रिजनल पार्टीने आपापले हावेस उक्तावन दाखयल्ले आसात आनी त्याच बरोबर फुडें मागीर परिस्थिती आयली जाल्यार कितें करतले ती वेळ आज आयली ना म्हणून ते सांगतात आनी कांय गजाली ते दिपून दवरतात मागीरचे कितें आतां तांकां सांगपाक सोदनात तुमी सगळे आमच्या स्टुडिओ भितर आयले आनी तुमचे हावेस उक्तावन दाखयले हाचे खातीर तुमचे उपकारी पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया.